you just follow. You just follow this one today's activity, yeah, because your turn is on Thursday, but today you just observe, okay, get some idea, and then you try to learn from others, okay, how to present, how to speak, okay, how to give the information. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
So, okay, Azad, who is your partner, Azad? You do individually or in group?
I don't have partner, teacher.
Oh, you do individually. Is it okay for you?
Okay, teacher.
Alone, okay, right? Because I noticed there are some student. They also message me. Ask they want to do individually. Yes, I say can. We have three types of presentation. Individual, in pair, and also in a group. So which one you choose? Which one is more suitable? Okay, for you to do the presentation. Okay, student here while waiting. Okay, while waiting for these other members to join, because I notice I see those who are going to join, not many. Okay, we are supposed to have classes, right? Kejora, Utare, sorry, Kejora, KAA, and also Orient. But I notice Orient, I'm not sure whether there are students from Orient or not. Okay, so Orient, Azad, do you have any idea the Orient student, the boys especially like Alif, like Zikril, they are not joining now. What happened? Do you contact them, Azad?
No.
No, no contact with them. What about Ahmad? Do you have any contact with the Orient student? To Orient student like Ideal? No. Ahmad, do you have any contact with them?
No.
Oh no, so because they are not doing anything, okay. Um, just wait. Okay, fly actually, we have to pronounce as flower, flower, flower,
Betul.
isn't it? Flower. Okay, so that is the correct pronunciation actually. But you see, you have the presentation, right? You have the word in your presentation, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, good. Good morning. Okay, good morning. Okay, Anega. Good morning, Anega. Mhm. Anega, are your members here in the group? Anega not here.
Yes,
Yes.
teachers. But Danusha,
All your members. Okay. Let them join. So I will start with KAA first. Let we go according to the class. Okay, KAA, Kejora. Then finally we go for Orient. If let's say like we don't have enough member to present until, but if like let's say the student less student, so we don't need to continue until 10:30. Okay, let us check how many students are going to present. Okay, so that those are the things we need to consider. Okay, 8:40, so we wait for another 5 minutes. Okay, so students, if you want to drink or you want to eat something for the rest 5 minutes, so you go ahead. Okay, after 5 minutes, now it's 8:40, so we start sharp at 8:45. Okay, so I send message to the group also. Alif. Just now I noticed Alif from Orient, isn't it? Alif, Afi, Alif. Can you say something, Alif? Alif from, okay, one, okay, Hadith. Alif, okay, I noticed some student from Orient here. Okay. Okay, 2 KAA, how many of you are going to present 2 KAA? Because let me check the name list and then tick your name. 2 KAA.
Haziq.
Okay, wait, one by one. Let me get ready with the name list.
Me.
I go by class, 2 KAA first. So then I call Kejora. So at least I tick your name for today's presentation. Okay, KAA, how many of you? Azik, right? Azik, are you presenting today, right? Isn't it? Okay. You see, some student are messaging me asking for this information, but now it's too late for me to reply for them. They are supposed to ask me yesterday regarding the presentation, right? Okay. Azik, okay, who else from KAA?
Me.
Today, 22nd. Okay.
Khaira. Nenek.
Khaira, okay. Khaira, who else?
Afira and Adila.
Afira and Adila, okay. Nur Afira and Afira, were you in the meet last week? Last week, did you join the class, Afira? Okay, it's okay. Afira and Adila. Okay, I put a tick first. So later you introduce yourself. I just put a tick to confirm those who are presenting for today. If let's say like KAA, we have 25 students. If not all of them are presenting, at least there are some students, so I got the record. Okay, so before we start, I will explain again about this. What is the objective of our activity? What is the objective? Okay, why we are having this activity? Actually, there at least you get some idea. Okay, it is not like we are just doing purposely. So there is a reason. So I will tell you before you start with your presentation. Okay, who else from KAA? What about Jasmine?
Aisha. But my
Okay, Farisha, Damia, okay,
and Janatul.
and Janatul together. Okay, what about Jasmine? Yesterday
Sure.
she's Jasmine, are you presenting today?
I'm sorry, but my computer suddenly break down. I forgot to save the video.
Your video. Ke you buat slide?
I make a video, but I forgot to save on my phone. My computer suddenly break down.
So that means you're not going to present today.
Yeah.
Okay. So who else from KAA? Hurry up. Okay.
Me.
Nur
Already
Aisha.
Yeah.
Nur Aisha. Okay. Nur Aisha. Aisha individual, right?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Saya teacher.
Cik Ahmad. Yeah, I forgot. Cik Ahmad also individual. Abdullah not here. Okay. Nur Batri. Okay. Nur Batrisha Damia and
Hanis Shazwani.
okay, Hanis
Teacher, can you
Shazwani.
combine the two class to present?
Combine, meaning combine?
Like to KA with to Orient.
Yes, can. Because you asked, right, KAA, Orient. So later, Orient, I will put a tick. So let me finish with KAA, then I go. So now we already start with our speaking activity, but before we start, let me take down the names so that I have the record. So anybody left out in KAA before I continue with Kejora? Anyone? But it's okay. I'm happy. There are many, quite a number of students also presenting. But Sandhya, wait, Sandhya Kejora. Okay. Sri Batrisha, Putri not here. Boys only Aziz and Cik Ahmad. The rest are not. Ahmad, what happened to your friends? Like Imran sometimes will join in. Rafiq. Okay. Ahmad, do you contact Rafiq?
Dorang bangun lambat ke? Dorang
Or
selalu macam
Raza also like Chief Small. Sometimes ada, sometimes tak ada. Okay. Aiman Akil. Okay. The boys from this one KAA. Fitri pun lama tak join Okay.
Fitri dia guna phone mak dia.
But student, it's okay. I understand. As long as if you never join the meet, okay, please, I really, I have to request, if you never join the meet, at least you do the work, the homework that I sent to the Telegram. Telegram is also considered online. Okay, because we understand student cannot, not many student, they are having their own laptop, own phone, like computer, right? So you're using your, depending on your parents, okay, sometimes many of your family members like studying, right, they want to use also. So it's okay as long as if you never join the meet, as long as you do the exercise given in the Telegram, both are considered as online homework. Okay, unless if you do your own revision, that is not online. Okay, that is your self study. Okay, done with KAA. Now I proceed with Kejora. Kejora,
Yes,
who are
teacher.
the students presenting from Kejora?
Santhia, Danusha, Anega, but Danusha didn't come yet, teacher.
Oh, Danusha. Okay, Sandhya, Anega, and Danusha. Okay. Okay, who else? Other student from Kejora?
Ramanina, teacher.
Teacher, I.
Okay, Nur Amanina. Okay, wait, one by one. Nur Amanina. Amanina, are you doing alone?
No, with Humaira.
Humaira. Okay, okay. Nur Umaira, right? Betul kan? Nur Umaira, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, Amanina, Umaira, Sandhya, Danusha, Anega. Who else? Boys, anyone?
Teacher, I, Rasika.
Rasika with whom? Rasika
No, teacher,
and?
I'm doing individually.
Oh, individual. Oh, okay. Later student, I take all the names, okay, on the whole, but when you present, you please introduce
Sure.
you and your partner, okay. Anega done. What about Anbanesh? Anbanesh, I saw Anbanesh name just now in the meet. Anbanesh, are you presenting?
Anega.
Anega is presenting. Okay, anybody else? What about Irshad? Okay, Danny Irshad, are you presenting? No, okay. Jasmine. Okay, so no response. So I have only 2, 4, 6 students from Kejora. Okay, finally, Orion. What about Orion?
Me.
Who are the students? Orion? Shuhada. Okay, as usual. I really salute Shuhada. Always you follow, you have the good follow-up. Very good. Okay, so just now there are student partner with KAA student, right? So you also give me your name. Okay, Nur Shuhada done. Okay, who else? Faster, then we can. Nur?
Alisha. Nur Alisha Azra.
Nur. Dengan siapa? Alicia, you are alone.
With 2KAA.
Oh, you are the one. Okay, good. Okay, anybody else? From Orient? Only 2 students at the moment. That's why I notice I don't know why nowadays the Orient student are very, very poor attendance. I notice for other subject, sometimes the teacher also complain, student don't want to join. But maybe your emotion, your surrounding, right? okay, environment is like not motivating you, but you have to motivate yourself. Okay, Syuada, nanti kan dalam group please motivate your student, your class student. Orien, nanti cikgu pun akan hantar message ya. Okay, Orien always not many. Because there are many speaking student, good speaking student in Orient, same as Kejora, KAA, right? Orient also very good in speaking, but this student don't want to try. Okay, student, I think that's all our introduction and checking the names. I think I have done with my duty. So now I let the students to take over. So today I'm not going to talk much. So you students are going to be the teacher for today, okay, and then present. Okay, just one thing before we start. Okay, we start with number one. We start with KAA. So let all the KAA students to complete. Then we go for Kejora, followed by Orient. Yes, Sandhya.
Presentation means we must share the screen and show the video or what, teacher?
Yeah, you have to show what you have planned. If you
Okay,
talk
okay.
only like we don't have the idea, right? If you only talk, only give the explanation, we don't have the idea. So that's why you have to show, okay? Show the picture or the video. At least we have the understanding for better understanding. Okay, student. Okay, it's almost time. Okay, so student, let me tell you what is the purpose of this activity. Actually, this speaking activity supposed to be done like before like October. By October we have to finish with all these PBD so that November we can give the mark. So now for all the classes you already achieve band 3 because awal tahun kan kita pelajar masuk ke sekolah kan, so I already take the some of the like exercise your involvement. So you already had at band 3. So now we are trying student, especially you try your best for whether you can achieve band 4 or band 5. I think band 6 impossible. Just now I told other student band 6 I think I don't think so. That is really good. Some more now PKP, it is not advised to give band 6, okay? Because we don't have the strong, the excellent performance from the student, okay? So band 4 and 5. So there are some students already at band 4 now, okay? So now you try band 3, 4 and 5, okay, within this band. Okay, for speaking, today we do for speaking, then we go for reading, writing and also listening. Okay, so that's all student. Now I pass it to the KAA student. You may take over, you introduce, then you can start now.
Teacher,
Cik Ahmad ke Aziz yang individual first, then you go for pair work. Any questions student?
teacher, macam mana nak share presentation tu?
Oh, Khaira using phone or laptop?
Laptop.
Laptop. Okay, Khaira, I have a partner teacher. Oh, okay. Khaira, you how laptop, from your laptop you open the file, get set with your file, okay? Then when you present, you click the button present. Okay, if not you how I don't know how because you have to present from your laptop unless you send the file to me, then only I can do it for you. Okay, is it okay you send the file to my Telegram?
Okay, teacher.
You find, okay, other student can start first while Khaira sending the file. So I try to help her to present. Okay, so others, those who are already ready with your presentation, you may start now. Can I have students to start first? Aziz, you go first, Aziz.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Haziq Samsudin. I am from 2KD. My presentation is about cooking.
So, Aziz, is it that's all, Aziz? Okay.
What do you mean? Okay.
So today I want to cook butternut chicken. Let's start. The ingredients are fried chicken flour, chicken breast, garlic, chili, curry leaf, butter, milk, and corn flour. Cut the chicken into small pieces. This
not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, you won't have one.
Mix the chicken with chicken fried flour and add a little water. Then coat the chicken with chicken fried flour and fry.
Not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, you won't have one. You won't have
Fry the chicken until crisp.
If you don't start a conversation, you won't have one. You won't have one.
And when it is dry, put the chicken in the plate. Slice the garlic and chili.
Not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, you won't have one. Not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, you won't have one.
After that, pour the butter into the pan.
If you don't start a conversation, you won't have one. You won't have one.
Next, add the sliced garlic and chili. And some curry leaf. And pour milk. Once it's boiled, take a few tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt along with
If you don't start a
Ajinomoto.
conversation, you won't have one.
Stir until well combined. Put a few tablespoons of water into the corn flour and pour it into the gravy. Take back the fried chicken and mix it.
If you don't start a conversation, you won't have one.
And our butternut chicken is done.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Aziz, for your presentation. Even though it is lagging, but we still can follow. But Aziz, is it okay? You please tell the step again. Just no need to show your face. It's okay. Just explain again the procedure. Just read from the information that you have. Okay.
Oh, okay.
How to prepare the dish.
Wait.
So while waiting, other students from KAA, those who are going to continue, please get ready. Kyra says she will send to Aziz because I need to check the students' presentation. So Kyra, you send to Aziz, he will help you to present. Okay, but you explain okay, the information. Okay, it's okay, Aziz. Thank you so much for your presentation. Okay, Kyra already sent to Aziz. So Aziz, you present later Kyra's one. So student, if you have problem to present from your phone or either from your laptop, okay, so you can ask help from other student, your friend or teacher. But now I think I cannot take charge to do the presentation because I need to observe the students' presentation, right? So it is better you take charge and then get help from your friends. And then one more thing, the students keep on messaging me. Now only last minute they are asking this and that. I cannot answer all the, or I cannot reply all these messages. Okay, so we already late. So let me proceed with the second presenter. Okay, Aziz done with. Okay, second presenter from KAA. Who is going to, Cik Ahmad, do you want to continue, Cik Ahmad? Not ready, then when are you going to do? Okay, who else with individual presentation? Farisha. Farisha,